Make Believe Arts presents The Story Basket. Today's story is the greatest in the land. Today's story is told by Trisha Lee with music and sound by David Baird. A kind old woman was walking. She walked all night and she walked all day, for there was nowhere for her to lay her head. Finally, after many days, she came upon a village. As she walked along the high street, the villagers moved. Where would they have gone?
The forest. I think they jumped out, but they just parachuted down people's hands.
Mole found the missing and squeezed inside. Next, Rabbit squeezed in.
You start to break out of your egg now. His brothers and sisters laughed at him. He pretended to laugh at the ugly duckling. And this made the ugly duckling sad.
Santa was making his toys, and through a certain type of magic, all the toys that Santa made could come alive.
The old woman gave Sheba a magic cooking pot. She whispered in her ear. Then the old woman disappeared.
But it was too hard. And then she tried Mummy Bear's bed. But it was too soft. And then she tried Baby Bear.
Once upon a time, so many elves came out to play. The ducklings laughed. And they looked under the water. In the land of ice and snow, beside a village of elves and a forest of reindeer, sits a little wooden house.